Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again at MarineMax in Greenville. Down to the last boat to video for today. It is the 2024 Yamaha SX195. This is a single engine jet boat, traditional bowrider style. Includes the single axle trailer and the bimini top. Beautiful all black solid hull color with a white top deck. Let's go around to the back and take a look at the transom. If you've been watching my videos, you know I always love to point out the back of this boat. Took a couple of these out this past summer. This was the hit. This is where everybody wanted to be when we were anchored off. Let's hop on the ladder and get inside and take a look at everything that this boat has to offer. Nice recessed area on the back of the boat as an easier way to get in and out. Removable cushion as well if you want a full transom walkthrough. The SX195 series has a captain and co-captain seat, but still has plenty of room for this wraparound rear transom seating. Removable cockpit table. Going up here to the console, you got a nice digital display. Bluetooth stereo. Captain's chair with flip-up bolster. Snap-in vinyl woven flooring. Going over here to the co-captain seat. Take a look at all the storage in this compartment here. This is where everybody can throw their beach bags. There's a cooler in there. It actually has a dedicated cooler storage underneath the table here. We do have the bow cushion in right now. That is removable. Wraparound seating. Nice area for the family or the friends to lounge and lay out. We have a lot of Yamaha jet boats in stock. If you've been following the boat market, you may have known that these boats were hard to get for the last 3 to 4 years. It's been a long time since we've had them in stock. Now we have pretty much the whole entire lineup for you to come see in person, test drive, bring your family on, make sure you pick the right boat. The guys are working hard here on getting them all buttoned back up. But feel free to come see them in person at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.